Uh-oh. Yeah! Rock and roll! Yeah!
You go down there? Yeah!
Hell yeah! That was badass. I love being that close to being gored.
You only live once, why not live large?
Right, physical bodily injury? Hell yeah, I'm about it.
That thing was
Nobody got no hot pants.
badass.
All good.
Nope, nobody.
What did he say? Oh no.
I bet them girls got orgasms just watching that.
Jesus. No, actually, she about lost her bowels. I need number 2.
She was the first one up.
Here
But
comes
she
the-
was like,
Aunt Jane, I don't think they left the house open. Hold on.
I gotta change my pants.
which one?
No,
was
it's already
that?
too late. I can't go now.
Was that the Eureka one?
Wait, what?
Was it? What was the name of that one? Eureka?
Did it fall over? Is that what happened?
Well, they weren't stable on that fucking stump, so the one just
Eventually
the
it
force
fell
of it,
over.
it fell down on the ground.
Did you see
And
your
luckily,
life?
it landed
Did you
upright.
see your life flash before your very eyes?
I did. I ran. I was like,
I thought about leaving Kaylee. I was like,
survival of the fittest.
I was.
bitch.
I had that
I
moment.
don't have to be the fastest, just faster than you.
I never thought I'd like
Kevin's
use
the
my
one that
sister
would
as
be-
a human shield, but
You're like track and field.
I was about to use Kaylee as a shield. Never thought I'd feel that way.
You thought I'd dive in a
Now we
pond.
know.
I just laid there because I figured I was fucked either way. Either I'm getting hit
You've
or I'm going
accepted your
to like
fate.
get up. By the time it takes me to get up, I'm going to get hit. So fuck it. I'm going to take this one.
Well, overall, that was a cool finale.
Little mixture.
What about that